Today we're talking about our Demi pliés, which again are a half a bend. We're starting off in our first position, heels together, toes out, and we want to make sure that we're pulling up out of our hips. So we pull our belly button in, we press our tailbone down, we lengthen our spine all the way out through the top of our head. I'm starting with my left hand on the bar, and I'm taking my right arm out of the equation for today so we can focus primarily on our legs and feet. We want to stretch as far as our calves will let us before our heels begin to lift off the ground. And up. We do this in first, second, fourth, and fifth positions. One of the things that I often remind my dancers of is the fact that when we do our demi plie, you are creating a diamond with your legs in the first, fourth, and fifth positions. And in second, we often will think about the shape of a house. When we go to do our pliés in jazz, we can also do our demi pliés there as well, in which case then we're primarily in a parallel position. In which case, again, it's just a bend and stretch. Same thing in second, demi and stretch, fourth position, and fifth position. To give you a different point of view, I'm going to turn sideways. So our turned out position would be heels together, toes out in our first, everything nice and lengthened up out of the hips, and we bend and stretch, making sure that our knees are going over our toes. Same thing in second, fourth, and fifth positions. Our parallel positioning would be first, second, fourth, and fifth. This helps us to set up the proper body placement when we go down for our grand pliés, which we will be discussing tomorrow. And again, our demi pliés come in handy when we start turning and working on our adage, and it's also our press off for our jumps as we talk about our allegro. Thank you for watching.